Welcome to The Systems Thinker, a video series to help you know the whole, focus on the constraint and reach your goal. There are only 4 qualities that individuals need to be able to function successfully in any given management hierarchy. The first prerequisite is that a person has the necessary cognitive power to process the complexity of the information associated with the time horizon of the task at hand. The longer the horizon, the more information that needs processing, the higher the complexity, and hence the greater the need for more mental processing ability. The second factor for success is the skilled knowledge required to function in the role. If it's a financial role, you would need skills and expertise in finance consistent with the size of the task. If it was engineering, then similarly so. Factor number 3 is to sufficiently value the work in the role to bring a fully motivated commitment of one's native capability to doing the work. If the work doesn't help you learn and grow and has no connection to your values, it's highly unlikely you'll function successfully. Finally, the fourth factor is the ability to display those behaviours consistent with a successfully functioning management hierarchy. The behaviours don't necessarily have to make you popular, but they must make the team effective. So if you want the competitive advantage of a successfully functioning hierarchy, you need 4 things: mental grunt, domain knowledge, motivation, and effective behaviours. That's your tip for better ways to do better work and redefine what's possible.